Miraculous tea to help you lose weight. Looking slim and smart increases your confidence level and your productivity. That's why how to lose weight is a big question in these days. Nowadays, obesity is a big issue around the world, with more than 1.9 billion adults, 18 years and older, considered overweight by the World Health Organization, WHO. With proper diet and the right physical activities, you could lose weight. To be honest with you, weight loss is not just a woman's dream, it's a serious world problem with related diseases and sickness. If you want to avoid unnecessary weight gain and its-related diseases, a warm beverage that satisfies your sweet tooth and helps prevent weight gain is your solution. Look no further than this miraculous tea, an easy-to-make home drink for everyone. To lose weight, you should drink this miraculous homemade drink. Research suggests that spices such as cinnamon, ginger, may help boost satiety and mimic sweetness. As a result, they can help you cut back on sugar intake. Cinnamon has also been linked to better blood sugar regulation, improved heart health, and brain function. And ginger is also considered a flat belly food source, since it aids digestion and may help with weight management. These three super ingredients homemade healthy drink will help you lose weight faster than ever. Let's see the ingredients we need to use in this weight loss drink. Ingredients: water 250 ml, fresh ginger, cinnamon sticks, honey 2 tablespoons. Now you need to follow this procedure step by step. First, take a saucepan and add 250 ml of water in the saucepan. Place the saucepan on the stove. Boil the cinnamon sticks and fresh ginger in water for about 20 minutes to let the flavors seep in. Then turn off the stove. Add honey. Let the miraculous tea cool down and enjoy it. You will find cinnamon sticks from a super shop near you. To lose weight naturally at home by using this miraculous tea, you have to follow the given way. Drink half cup of this juice daily before sleeping, and the rest of it the next morning before breakfast. Hope you will get positive results of this easy remedy in few days. You can easily lose weight by using this miraculous tea. You can continue this remedy until you lose weight according to your wish. Thank you for watching our video. We'd love to hear your comments and feedback.